You know the topic? No unnecessary intros required. Here are 12 awesome Google Drive tips and tricks. It's gonna get increasingly productive, so let's jump right in. Tip number 1. You may or may not know this already, but Google Drive has an inbuilt Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps. In the Google Drive homepage, which is drive.google.com, you can see the plus icon at the top left. Just click there and you can see all the apps Google Drive has built in. Google Docs is like Word, Google Sheets is like Excel, Slides is PowerPoint, and more. But the more interesting part is you have access to some more awesome apps like Google Forms and Google My Maps. You can use Google Forms to create birthday and other event invites to get RSVP easily by sharing the form links. There is also a Google My Map app. This app allows you to create a custom map with destination, routes, places to visit, and map points. You can then share this whole map to others. This will be incredibly useful when planning a trip, you want to share your itinerary, travel route, or just a trip update to others. Number 2, you can create your own website for free within Google Drive. That's right, when you tap the plus icon, go to More and you will see Google Sites as an app. Select this. Now you can build your whole website with multiple pages so easily with drag and drop controls, images, texts, videos, and a lot more on the side. Once you're done building the website, simply click publish and you have yourself a free website. You can use a custom domain name if you have, or you can use the free default domain name. Services like Wix, Squarespace will charge you over $20 a month for a similar service. So get yourself a website for free with Google Drive. Number 3, we saw there are Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides, and even Google Sites as app options. If you want to create a new doc or sheets quickly, you don't need to open Google Drive, tap on plus, and then on Google Doc every time. Just go to your address bar, type doc.new and hit enter. You will immediately have a new Google Doc file created for you. Similarly, you can type sheets.new, slides.new, or even sites.new to create new Excel, PowerPoint, or websites very quickly. Bookmark them to your favorites for one-click access to. Number 4, Google Drive can read your images. Confused? Say you have a bunch of documents uploaded to your Google Drive. Google can now understand what's written on these images. So now if you want to search for a certain image file, you can simply search with the text on that image. Google will understand it and show you all the relevant results of images containing that text as well. Look here, this is an image of one of my YouTube thumbnails. It doesn't have a good matching title, but when I search in the top search bar with the text in that image, Google Drive will show all the images with that text in the image as well. It has come in very handy for me. To take this one step further, if you want to extract text from an image, you can simply open the image in the Google Drive. Up top, simply click open with Google Doc. Now Google will open this image file as a doc. Your image will be up first, but below you will see all the extracted text from that image. Cool, right? Number 5. Have you been in a situation where someone sends you a PDF through email and asks you to fill that document and send it back again? Now, you might have gone through a lot of hoops to convert the PDF to text format, then edit it with the text editor, convert it back to PDF, and send it again. Oof. Google Drive has you covered. This is a PDF with non-editable fields. I click on them and nothing happens. I simply upload this PDF to Google Drive. When I open it, it automatically suggests open with Google Docs on top. Click that and you now have a doc version of a PDF that you can edit, save, and export all for free. The formatting might be slightly off depending on how complex the PDF is, but it works well for most common PDFs. There are options to open third-party apps directly within Google Drive too, like this. So that's an added bonus. Number 6. Have you been in a scenario where someone shared a folder with you and when you upload a file to share it with them, it takes up your Google Drive space? There is a way to fix this. The reason why this is happening is because Google takes up storage space based on owner of the file. Even though you put it in a shared folder, you are still the owner of that file. To fix this, go to the file taking up your storage space, right-click and click share. Then share again. Here you can see the person who is sharing this file. Click here and select transfer ownership. Once the person accepts ownership, Google will not account this file towards your Google Drive space. Number 7, easily share your Google Drive files to others in Gmail or other apps. What people normally do to share file is they attach it to their Gmail message. What if you want to share your file through WhatsApp, messages, or even Gmail more easily? Just go to Google Drive, click on the file you want to share to others, and press the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+A. Change the access to anyone with a link. Now, just copy the link and paste it in your Gmail message or WhatsApp, or even paste it in another document. If you're just sharing it to yourself in another document, you can even simply press Ctrl+C and paste it in another document of yours. Number 8, organize your folders better. Even though Google Drive is good, it's only as good as you keep it organized. A few tips to make the best out of your Google Drive. First, like any drive, don't simply drop your files into Google Drive. Create folders or even subfolders if needed and organize them properly. A big advantage of doing this is not only you can find your files faster, but you also have this side pane with this folder structure for quicker navigation too. You can even create a shortcut of a folder by going to that folder, clicking on the 3 dots and clicking create shortcut. Now you can place a shortcut of this folder anywhere on your Google Drive for even more easy access. If you think a folder is important and needs frequent access, you can start the folder by clicking on the 3 dots again and selecting organize and then add to start. You can easily see all the starred folders in the side pane. I even color code my folders by tapping the 3 dots, organize, and picking a folder color for a certain folder type. All my images folders have an orange color to it. Docs folders will have blue, and so on. Try it out, it'll make your Google Drive closer to your computer drive. Number 9. If you need to work on a Google Doc or any other file, say while traveling or in a place with limited internet access, you can make that file available offline. This way, you don't have to worry about not being able to open Google Drive without the internet. To do this, select the gear icon at the top, select settings, go down the list and enable offline here. Now, go to any document or file you might need while offline, right click and choose make available offline. That's it. Now it'll work like a local file and it'll sync when it's online again. Takes your mind off not having the file during an important time of need. Number 10, download your file in any format you want. You have a Google Doc file, Google Sheet file, or even Google Presentation file. You can download it in any format you want so easily. Just open the document, go to File Options and go to Download. Here you can see a variety of options available to download this file, including PDFs and Microsoft Word file. Number 11, do you use Google Drive only on the web and not ready to install the Google Drive app on your OS because of the local storage space it'll take? Personally, I prefer the UI of the web. For such scenarios, there is a mid ground where you open Google Drive website on browser like Edge or Chrome. You can see an icon here which says install Google Drive. When you install it this way, it's installing a lightweight version called the Progress Web app. This is exactly like your Google Drive website but available like an app. You can pin it to your taskbar too for one-click open. It works so well, and if you have not tried, you should give it a try. Number 12, and the last one for this video, once in a while, optimize and clean up your storage. Old and unused files take up a large space over time without us even knowing. To clean these up, click on Get More Storage. It'll ask you to buy more storage. Instead, tap on Storage at side pane. Here you can see what is taking up more storage. You can click on each of these icons to dig further to see what's taking more space. You can delete the unnecessary ones here. One setting here which has helped me the most is optimizing Google Photos. Click on Google Photos and then click on this gear icon. Here, instead of original quality, I choose Storage Saver. This way, Google will store a slightly reduced quality image of my original image in Google Photos, which will take up significantly less space. Tweak these settings based on your preference. It'll help you optimize your Google Drive space significantly. Okay, that's everything for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. That helps me make more such content. I'll see you all in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.